Take a moment to check out the 2022 Hyundai Palisade. With less than 20,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle provides excellent value. This boldly styled, highly capable Palisade is an outstanding value. 3-row seating, a premium interior, ample cargo area, available all-wheel drive, V6 power and standard driver assistance are just some of the many features that make this spacious crossover irresistible. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: navigation system, keyless entry, sun, moonroof, power passenger seat, heated rear seat, satellite radio, power liftgate, heated mirrors, lane keeping assist, premium sound system. Turn on the calm and drive on in this family-friendly Palisade. Come in for a fun and easy road test. Our team will make it the best part of your day.